Come on, Sunny. What a beautiful morning, isn't it? Come on, Sunny. What a beautiful morning, isn't it? Sunny, you silly little hunter, you will never catch that butterfly. Sunny, don't go too far.
Sunny? Where are you, sweetheart? Sunny? Sunny.
Meow.
Sunny! I'm coming, baby! Hold on! Oh my God. Sunny! Let him go! Please! Please, help! There's a tiger! It's got my cat! Hurry! They're coming. Please, just hold on, Sunny.
Stay sharp, it's close.
Got it. That'll bring him out alive, both of them. You hear that? She's close, and so's the tiger.
We move slow. No sudden shots unless necessary.
Come on, Sunny. What a beautiful morning, isn't it?
There it is, steady now.
I've got eyes on it, waiting for your mark.
Back off! Don't make us shoot! Ah!
Dart loaded. Just say when.
Move! It's charging!
I've got it. Stay low.
Hit confirmed. Stay back.
Dose is in. Watch for reaction.
Hold your ground. Don't rush it. Let the dose work.
It's fighting the sedative. Give it seconds more.
Target sedated. Repeat, target sedated.
You're safe now, baby. You're safe.
Tiger secure. Begin lift.
Copy that. Engaging hoist, steady on my mark.
Thank you for saving us both.
No one gets left behind. Not even the wild.
We did it. Everyone made it out alive. Because you cared. Thank you.
Easy, everyone.
He's stable. Let's move him to quarantine bay 3.
Good work, Doc. He's all yours now.
He looks calm now.
Yeah, he's not the monster people think he is. He'll be fine. Just a few scratches, brave little guy.
And him, he's not evil. Just lost.
We both survived. Thank you.
Spy, big one. Stay free.
I don't have words. You saved more than lives today.
Just doing our job, ma'am. You did the brave part.
I will never forget what you did for us.
Neither will he. You showed courage most would not.
Take care of that little hero.
We made it home, Sunny. We really did.
We're home, my little miracle.
Today, the rescued tiger known as Rogue has been safely released back into the Oregon wilderness.
He's free again.
In every heart, there's a wild creature waiting to be understood. The wild forgives, and life finds its way back to balance.
Ryan! She's blocking the highway! No, She's begging for help.
Ryan, there's something down there. The calf.
She's asking us to save her baby.
Oh God, he's sinking. We'll get him out one way or another.
This is Unit 12. We have a trapped elephant calf and a distressed mother. We need airlift extraction, now.
We hear you, Mama. Help is coming.
You're doing great, Mama. Stay calm.
She trusts you, Em. Let's keep it that way.
Too deep for ropes alone. We'll need machinery.
Or another pair of strong hands and a trunk. It's too slick, he keeps sliding. Hold on. Backup's almost here. Don't give up.
Visual confirmed. Landing zone clear.
It's okay, help's here now.
We'll loop 2 harnesses under the calf and pull with the SUV. Emma, keep the mother calm.
On it. She'll know we're trying to help.
Easy tension, don't jerk it, keep steady.
He's moving. He's moving. Come on, little one, hold on.
Storm's moving fast. We're losing traction.
We don't stop now. He'll drown if we wait. Now, pull together, with her.
That's it, Mama. You're helping him. Hold steady.
Come on, just a few more feet.
Slip in again. Give me more torque. He's out. He made it.
Good job, team, and you too, Mama.
He's weak. He's barely breathing.
Let her come closer. Maybe she can calm him. She's bringing him back with love alone. Sometimes that's all it takes.
There you go, little fighter.
He's standing. He's really standing.
That's a reunion worth every drop of rain.
The best sight I've ever seen.
She was here not long ago.
And so was the tiger. Stay alert, we're close.
They're heading home.
Exactly where they belong. Funny how quiet it feels after all that chaos.
Maybe that's what peace sounds like.
We'll mark the pit for the wildlife department.
Good. No one else should fall in there again.
2 rescues in 2 weeks. Feels like fate keeps testing us.
Another life saved. Another day worth living.
And a story I'll never forget.
They really covered it.
Yeah, but it's not our story. It's theirs.
You ever wonder why it's always us in the middle of these things?
Maybe because we don't run away from them.
Do you think they remember us?
I think they remember kindness.
They know.
And they'll remember.